Welcome to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. I'm Bruce, and today we're discussing MTBF, mean time between failures, and MTTR, mean time to repair. These key metrics are crucial in optimizing manufacturing operations. Joining us is Alex, an expert in maintenance management and IoT. Hey, Alex, thanks for being here.
Thanks, Bruce. It's a pleasure to talk about these essential metrics that drive operational efficiency.
Let's dive in. What exactly is MTBF, and why should our listeners care?
MTBF stands for mean time between failures. It's the average time between failures of a system or piece of equipment. The higher the MTBF, the more reliable the asset. Maintenance teams use this metric to predict when failure might happen and schedule preventive maintenance before issues arise. For example, a high MTBF means fewer unplanned failures, allowing for more effective planning.
So, MTBF helps anticipate when equipment might fail, allowing for better planning. And how does MTTR fit into the picture?
MTTR is mean time to repair. It measures the time it takes to restore a system after a failure. It's crucial because it tells us how long the downtime will be and helps us understand the efficiency of the repair process. Lower MTTR means quicker recovery, minimizing disruptions and production losses.
So, while MTBF is about predicting failures, MTTR is about minimizing the impact of those failures. How do these metrics relate to Industry 4.0 and IoT?
In Industry 4.0, IoT plays a huge role. IoT sensors provide real-time data on equipment health, which helps maintenance teams predict failures, improving MTBF. At the same time, IoT can help reduce MTTR by quickly identifying the root cause of failures, enabling faster repairs. For example, predictive analytics can alert teams to wear and tear before it leads to a breakdown, allowing for planned maintenance.
So, IoT and Industry 4.0 technologies not only help prevent failures, but also make repairs more efficient. This sounds like a game changer for manufacturers.
Exactly. By leveraging both MTBF and MTTR, manufacturers can create a more reliable, efficient maintenance strategy. With IoT data, they can prevent failures, reduce downtime, and extend the life of assets, all of which lower costs and improve profitability.
That's amazing. For maintenance managers looking to improve these metrics, what steps should they take?
Start by implementing IoT sensors to monitor equipment health. Use predictive analytics to extend MTBF by preventing failures. For MTTR, focus on optimizing repair processes, ensure your team has the right tools and parts, and provide training so repairs are done efficiently.
Great advice. So to sum up, MTBF and MTTR aren't just numbers. They're about improving asset reliability and minimizing downtime. Improving both leads to smarter, more efficient operations.
Exactly, Bruce. By focusing on these metrics, manufacturers can drive better decision-making and boost operational efficiency.
That's it for today's episode. Thanks so much, Alex, for sharing your insights. And to our listeners, I hope you've gained some valuable takeaways. Check out our previous episodes, and we'll see you next time on the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. Stay efficient, everyone.